Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24 and my name is Christian. Today, Monday, the 28th of May, and welcome to our daily market opening trade with our very popular Swiss box strategy. And we are trying today to reach something very unique, I find, and it's the trading the 400 consecutive winning trade in the DAX. So for over 2 years now, we are trading the market opening impulse, which happens here in Germany at 9 a.m. in the morning when the stock market in Frankfurt opens. And in doing so, we've been very successful over the last 2 years. So we record it every day here on YouTube. And yeah, if you fancy to have a look, please subscribe to our channel. So currently it's 8:34. We are preparing ourselves very, very slowly for the market opening trade. I'll be back in around 15 to 20 minutes to talk about the Swiss box strategy. So 8:53, and we are preparing our trade. And in doing so, I'm clicking on the right hand side. You can see here Swiss box lines, and we now have the green pending order long, the red pending order short. And I'm going to select the upper range of the first 53 minutes of trading. So both are pending orders, and our risk for the first trade is 0.2%. Our target, as always, 0.10%. And I'm now activating my pending orders. So that means when the price is dropping or the price is rising below or above my pending order, I'm going to get stopped in. So shortly 8:55, and we are in our first trade. Our sell pending order has been triggered, and you can see now the blue line, which represents our take profit. So 30 seconds to go for the market opens, and we are still in our first short trade. So 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and it's 9 a.m. here in Germany. Market has opened, still in the first trade, and the blue line still represents our take profit for the first one. DAX currently trading around the 13,000 point mark. By the way, let me quickly point out that it's bank holiday in England and also in America, where it's Memorial Day. So we expect less volume than average. All right, so a little push towards a new high, and we are now long in our second trade. So please keep in mind that the first one, the short trade, is still running. We now have opened the second position with a different volume size. So once we are reaching the blue line, both trades will close out, and at the end, and now it happens, just happened, we've closed that 400th trade in a row with a profit of 0.10% calculated on our account balance as always. So yeah, join me in congratulating the inventors of our Swiss box trading. So for 400 consecutive days, and as I said in the beginning, we are doing this for over 2 years now, every trading day. And one more time, here's the trade. We got activated here, stopped out here. Let's use the magnifying glass. And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching. And if you like that, or if you like our channel, please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.